India, a land of unparalleled unity in diversity, is a vibrant tapestry woven from myriad cultures, languages, and traditions. Each of its 28 states and 8 union territories boasts unique customs, dialects, and lifestyles, contributing to a rich mosaic of diversity. In the north, majestic snow-capped mountains of Himachal Pradesh stand in stark contrast to the arid deserts of Rajasthan. The lush tea gardens of Assam in the east and the serene backwaters of Kerala in the south highlight the geographic diversity that is mirrored in the cultural fabric of the nation. Languages, over 1,600 of them, are spoken across the country. Hindi and English serve as the official languages, but each state reverberates with its own tongue, be it Bengali, Tamil, Marathi, Telugu, or any other. This linguistic variety is a testament to India's inclusive spirit. Traditional attire varies widely from the elegant saris of Tamil Nadu to the vibrant ghagras of Gujarat, the firans of Kashmir, and the traditional mundus of Kerala. These garments are more than just clothing, they are a reflection of the rich cultural heritage of each region. India's music and dance forms, too, are a celebration of its diversity. From the classical rhythms of Bharatnatyam, Kathak, and Odissi to the folk dances of Bhangra, Garba, and Lavani, each performance tells a unique story. Similarly, the sounds of the sitar, tabla, veena, and dhol merge to create a symphony that is distinctly Indian. Indian cuisine is a gastronomic journey through diverse tastes and aromas. Whether it's the spicy curries of Punjab, the sweet delicacies of Bengal, the tangy dishes of Gujarat, or the coconut-flavored treats of Kerala, each region offers a unique culinary experience. Unity in diversity is also reflected in India's religious harmony. Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, and Jainism, among others, coexist peacefully, each contributing to the nation's cultural wealth. Festivals like Diwali, Eid, Christmas, and Vaisakhi are celebrated with equal fervor across the country, showcasing the spirit of mutual respect and joy. The spirit of unity is deeply embedded in India's ethos, where people of different backgrounds come together to form a cohesive, inclusive society. This unity in diversity is not just a characteristic of India but the very essence of its identity. Let's have a glimpse of our mesmerizing states and their culture and traditions.
Kerala, often referred to as God's own country, due to its stunning natural beauty, including lush greenery, backwaters, and serene landscapes. Bihar, sometimes referred to as the land of Buddha or Buddha's land due to its historical significance as the place where Buddha attained enlightenment and where several important Buddhist sites are located, including Bodh Gaya. Tamil Nadu, sometimes referred to as the land of temples because of its numerous ancient temples, many of which are architectural marvels and significant cultural and religious sites. Odisha, often referred to as the land of temples, or Utkal, due to its rich heritage of ancient temples and its historical name, Utkala, which reflects its cultural and artistic significance. Jammu and Kashmir, often referred to as paradise on earth, due to its breathtaking natural beauty, including scenic landscapes, snow-capped mountains, and picturesque valleys. Rajasthan, often called the land of kings or land of Maharajas, due to its rich history of royal dynasties, majestic forts, and palaces. Assam, often referred to as the tea garden of India because of its vast tea plantations, which produce some of the finest tea in the world. Jharkhand, sometimes referred to as the land of forests due to its extensive forest cover and rich natural resources, including minerals and wildlife. Punjab, often referred to as the land of five rivers because the region is historically defined by the five major rivers Beas, Chenab, Jhelum, Ravi, and Sutlej that flow through it. Karnataka, sometimes called the land of the Virshava, reflecting its historical connection to the Virshava or Lingayat community, which has had a significant cultural and religious influence in the region. West Bengal, often referred to as the land of the Bengalis, emphasizing its cultural and linguistic identity. Another name that highlights its historical and cultural significance is Bangla.